So hi friend, welcome back to Technical V. So today we are going to discuss about bar bending schedule. Okay. So if you like to listen this video in Hindi, you will get the Hindi version also. It's already uh, uploaded in the playlist section. You can go there and watch this whole things in Hindi as well. Okay. So this is the basically basic of BBS. What are the things need to be required to build the BBS? Okay, we will discuss all those things in this video. Okay, so first of all, the full form of the BBS is, you already know, that bar bending schedule. Okay, so in this video we are just going like overview. You can say what are the things need to be required for BBS. Okay, so basic I will just tell. Okay, if you have any doubt, any queries, you can just uh, type in the comment section and you will get response from my side. Okay, so whatever you have doubt, you can just like mention in your notebook. Okay, and make sure you should listen clearly. Okay, if you listen clearly, your doubt will be clear automatically. Okay, no need to like go in there. Okay, so this is the basic of bar bending schedule. Okay, so what are the things like required for BBS actually? What do you think? If you are a civil engineer, simple thing is that first of all, you need to know how to read the drawing. How to read the drawing is the most important thing. If you know, you can make BBS. Second, you have to know the some important points or rules of IS code. Like you have to know about unit weight, correct? And some others you can say like lap length. What will be the lap length? What will be the measurement for L? Okay, so these things you have to know. And third mo third is the most important, visualization. Visualization is very much important actually. Without visualization, it's impossible for you to build the BBS. Because see, if you are standing in the front of wall, you have to visualize that what you can see from other three directions. Like you are already standing in one face. Okay, like if I say you are watching this video either laptop or mobile. Okay, so you have to visualize in your mind that how or what you will see from other direction, means left side, right side, or back side of your laptop or mobile. You have to visualize the thing, correct? If you are able to visualize the thing, you can understand the drawing properly. Okay, and if you understand these three things, as per like me, if you understand these three things, you can definitely make the BBS very easily. Okay, for BBS there is some format is there. Okay, format in the sense uh, basic some columns is required. Okay, once you have completed that basic one format, no, it's easy for you. Just you have to substitute the values. Remaining calculation will be automatically done in the Excel. Like you have to just replace the die of the bar. Second thing is that the length of the bar. Okay, these two things you have to change. Remaining thing will be automatically get adjust. Okay, so let's see. I will show you one of the diagram as well. Means uh, proper, you can say, diagram of a you can say right road project. Okay, so let me show you the drawing. Okay, where you can understand the things easily. Okay, so this is the one of the road project. Okay, where I am showing for you like I'm showing the BBS for pile cap. Okay, pile cap and pile. Okay, I will just show you one BBS. Remaining I will just let you help you to know to read how to read. You can read the drawing. Okay, so in this section you can see that this is the something called pier. Whatever you can see, this one is pier, this one is pier, and the column which is starting from this one means one side it's having some mud, and another side is blank area. So this is called something abutment, this portion. Okay, like if you say here this portion is abutment and this side is abutment, means one side is filled with the land and another side is filled with like normally without filling, it will be normal. Okay, so this is something called A1. Okay, the direction from which they will calculate, okay, as per the drawing, one side will be called A1, abutment 1, and another side will be, this side will be abutment 2. Okay, and this will be similarly calculated as P1, P2, P3, P4, whatever the number is there, you can just say P1, P2, P3. Okay, so this is something called pair. Okay, pair or peer, whatever you can say, and this is abutment. And below this is something called cap. This one is called pier cap and this one is called abutment cap. Okay, so I will show you the drawing of abutment cap basically. Okay, both the thing is same only. Okay, just above structure is little different. You can say different name is there and different way to build that section. Okay, so this section is like, you can see like this rectangular or you can say circular portion. This is called pier cap, this one. Whatever you are seeing, this just above the what, this is called pier cap, or you can say this one is pier cap, this portion, okay, this is something called cap. Okay, so below this cap there is a number of piles. Okay, so at this level around 2 meter or 1.5 meter from top level, they will just combine combine all the piles together. Means suppose uh, if I'm saying below this pile cap there is a maybe 4, 5 or 10 numbers of pile is there. Okay, now they are just making all those pile as a single foundation, and above that they are making a single pier. Then this bridge is like sustainable the different load or heavy load of different vehicles. Okay, so we are going to see the reinforcement details of pile as well as pile cap, or you can say pier cap, whatever. Okay, so let me show you the next drawing. Okay, so see, this is the drawing. Okay, this is something called cap, pile cap or abutment cap, whatever you can say. Correct, this is, so this is layout of plan of pile. Wherever you can see this plan means top view. You are seeing this from top. If you are standing top of this pile cap, this one, this pile cap, what you will see from above portion, it will look like either, if it is in circular, it will look like circular or rectangular or like say any quadrilateral figure you can say. Okay, so if you are seeing from the top, this will be rectangular shape, and in between this dot things you are seeing, no, this is called something pile. So in this whole structure you will get 10 number of pile, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this is 9 and 10. Total 10 number of pile is already casted. After that, this one whole solid figure is like need to be maintained, that is called something called cap. Above this one uh, pile sorry, one pier will be there. Okay, so if you cut this holes, like now you are standing top of this structure, now you are standing, assume that you are standing here. Okay, from here you are seeing this section. Okay, if you cut this section, what you will see, one number of pile, this and this. See, if you are cutting along the width section, you will see this three piles, 1 2 3. Correct, and this is the thickness. Here you can say like height of this pile cap is 2 meter 250, 20 to 50. Okay, as for the drawing they are giving, this is something called pile cutoff level, this is something called pile cap level, like this portion. Correct, so this is the basic. If you go like, if you cut this figure along the lengthwise like this, another section is there BB, So in BB section you will get clear 6 number of pile. This 4 is outer and this 2 will be the inner one, correct? So this is something called length is 16 meter and width will be about uh, 10 meter 40, means 10.4 meter, correct? See here it's given already 10.4 or 10.8, sorry. Okay, from end to end. Okay, so this is how you can read the drawing, but this is the basic. Okay, from next you have to see the reinforcement drawing of all these things. But before reading this drawing, make sure that you go through all those notes which is showing on your drawing. Actually, see, lots of information is there. All the dimension are in millimeter and level are in meter unless otherwise specified. See, they are saying whatever the dimension they are given in mm or in meter, unless different they will definitely is specified. Okay, you have to give see, load is also given 500 ton, 70 ton horizontal load. Dia of the pile is 1.5 meter. Pile cap concrete required is M35, correct? Pile cap depth is 2250 mm, correct? So, and different things is there. Clear cover is also you will get, maybe uh, next page you will get clear cover. Okay, see, if you go in this drawing, see here clear cover is there. See, 75 clear cover for pile, clear cap for pile, both the things, correct? So same drawing. Okay, now once again you are standing at the top of this pile cap and you are seeing this different pile. Okay, so to build this structure, okay, you have to check the reinforcement details. See, each and every reinforcement detail is given. See, 1 2 3 4 bar number, this is dia, different dart, and this is a spacing, and this will be the final shape of the structure, correct? So if you see here also one thing is given, whatever the details showing reinforcement showing in dot line, that is the top, and normally will be the bottom one, and LD means development length. Okay, so see, this is showing bar number 2, means this one is bar number 2, this dot line is bar number 2 along the uh, width section, width wise, correct? And it will be cover from this arrow, this end to this, means this will be in this direction, correct? So if you divide like 16, this length is total how much? 1600 meter. 1600 meter divided by whatever the spacing they have given, you will get the number of bar required, correct? Same way, this bar is along the number 3 is along lengthwise. So you have to divide the spacing, I mean this width divided by spacing, then you will get how much this long bar is required in the spile ground. Same thing you can see if you go through the section AA, you will see this one is a top bar and another one is, this is bottom bar, correct? Top bar will be, see, number 2, they are showing in dotted portion, so number 2 is a dot bar, top shape will be like this, and this one is below, means number 4 bar. See here given 4, and 1 and 3 will be in this direction, lengthwise direction, correct? So for that you will refer to this, another section is there, BB, for that 1 and 3 you can see 2 and 4 is clearly visible here, correct? Some other bars is also there. So this is something called, okay, so you have to give something like this. Okay, so as per the height they are lapping this some portion here. Okay, so you have to lap here at least 3 mm, means as per my drawing I have to lap 300, means 150 each side, means 150 from center to this side and this side. Okay, so as per the requirement I have prepared the my uh, bar bending schedule. Okay, if you go in this, see here 1 and 3 will be clearly visible if you can visualize properly. Okay, so you can see, like, see, same type of a structure, just the length will be different. okay, and same placement. Okay, so this is how you can read this, uh, you can say, reinforcement details in the pile cap. Okay, now see, this is the reinforcement detail given in pile. Okay, if you cut this pile from this portion, means, and if you are seeing from the top, from here you are cutting this pile, and if you see from the top CC section, see, there is a different bar is there. Bar number 7 is there, this one, correct? Bar number 7. After that, one ring is there, that ring is called number 9, and before 7 one also ring is there, that is 8, and before there this space is there, no, this one, this is called clear cover, which is 75 mm, correct? So after 9 also one vertical bar is once again there, 7A. Okay, so two type of vertical bar is there, 7A, and ring is also two types, 8 and 9, correct? At section CC, if you go in DD, means below portion, there you will not get inside that 7A bar, okay, because which is ending just here only, up to this bar, not going up to the end. So you will see 7 bar and 8A. You will not see also 8 and 9, because that is also ending up to this only. See, this 8 is given up to this, correct? So from here you will get 7 and 8A bar, correct? So 8A bar is something called a spiral hook like this, and 9 will be there, okay? See, 9 will be there at the top only. It's also not covering below portion, okay? So this is how you can read the drawing, analyze the drawing, okay? And at above each ending you have to give something L, this one L, okay? At each structure, whatever the structure you have, you cannot keep the rod straight, you cannot keep that reinforcement straight, you have to always give the length L, okay, so that it can hold some load. So this is something called reinforcement detail is already given, correct? Bar number 1, 16 dia, 200 spacing will be there. Bar 2, 16 mm dia, once again 200 same spacing. Bar number 3, 16, 100 spacing. Center to center distance is 100. Okay, so now I am going to the Excel file. Okay, now let's see. I will just show you one portion. Okay, so whatever you are preparing, first of all you have to mention that your project name. Apart from this, your company name you can mention, and this is something called heading bar bending schedule. Okay, and here you have to mention this whether it is minor bridge or whatever bridge structure, they will all already these things will be mentioned in your drawing. This is something called chainage, and as I say, this is abutment cap, correct? So this is abutment A1, and for that A1 it's pile. Okay, so I will just show you simple, okay, simple things. And this is LHS side, this is the drawing number, this is dia of pile. I have mentioned my some calculation here for my easy purpose, so that I can directly use these values in the formula, so that I don't have to write again and again. Pile length is 23.5, and this is pile cage length. Pile cage length means you have to give additional 52 into D. This is 52D. 52D means lap length. Okay, something called 52D. Okay, and apart from this, we are subtracting this 75 cover from above portion as well as below portion. So this is pile case length, this is dia of the pile, and this is the length of the bar number 7 maybe, or this is 7A 8, and this is 8. I have already calculated, and I have just subtracted the you can say your clear cover also, so that I can use the directly values, correct? Now let's go to the left hand side. Okay, see, first column will be the serial number. After this you have to give the bar mark. Bar mark is number 7. Okay, And for 7 you can say like 1 2 3. You can say like y for 7 1 2 3, because see the length of the this pile is 23.5 plus whatever the case is approx 25. Okay, and overall length of the single reinforcement is 12 meter only, correct? So you have to add at least two, okay, two or three rods, okay, to meet all the length means 25 meter, correct? So you have to give three rods. So three rods I have given, just one, two, and three. Correct? One, two, three. We're of different length. So overall, if you add this one, you will get the total height. Okay. And this is something called shape of the bar. You can draw from here. Okay, insert. Either you will get from this portion or directly shape will be there. From here you can directly draw the things. Either you can select single line or you can say multiple. So you can draw like this or whatever the structure you require. Okay, either you can just go with, I like, normally I preferred this one, like one line from this. Okay, always hold shift and then drag, then your line will be always perpendicular. Okay, like this I just copy and paste and add like this. Say either it's not coming straight, you can just insert another one, no issue. Simply go to the line. Now click on here and just see whatever the color you want, you can just give the color as well, whatever the color you need, correct? See. And you can join these two lines, just shift click on the line, right click and group. See, group. Now it will work as a group. You can move at a single click, correct? So this is how you can draw the shape of the bar, whatever the bar required, correct? Next is that number of bend required, because each number of bend we have to minus 2 into d, 2 into diameter for 90 degree, correct? Different angle we have to subtract different. So here normally 90 degree is there, so as per that we have to subtract. Okay, so here 1L is there, means 190 degree is there, so I have mentioned 1D. Okay, here number of bars, total number of bar is this one, into 1 means side, how much side required. Okay, if you are calculating for, you can say like pile cap, means top portion and below portion, both the bar will be the same distance, same type, so we don't have to calculate twice. I can just give simply here the 2 and the value will be automatically get adjusted, correct? And this is something called cutting length, means final length what will be after adding all those things. See, I have just add this one and minus 2d. I have told you now 1L, for 1L you have to subtract minus 2d. So F11G12 minus 2 into d, 2d, correct? So this is 2d and divided by 1000 for your meter, correct? Understand? Correct? Not understand. Okay, let me say once again. See, this is F1, this is D, this is the total length minus 2 into D. 2 into D means this, 2 into D. C10 means D, diameter. And this I10 is number of bend. Means if one number of bend is there, so 1 2D, 2 is there, it will be automatically 2D. Means you don't have to write one like again and again. You have to just keep this, you have to just change this value. If it is 2, it will be, value will be automatically adjusted here. See, if I am saying if 2 number of bend is there, now I am entering, see this value will be get changed. See, value is changed now. If I write 4, value is changed, correct? So this is the way you can just, you can write directly 1 also, but then you have to mention if you are like 2 bend is there, that time you have to check for that, correct? So I have just pasted the formula once and all the value will be comes automatically, correct? This is something called total length. Total length means for 13 rod. This is cutting length for one rod, correct? So 13 into 12, it will come 155 length, correct, meter. And if you want to calculate your total weight in kg, for that you have to multiply with unit weight. What is the unit weight? Unit weight will be in kg per meter. So length is already in meter, so meter will be cancelled, and the final, if you multiply this 2, you will get weight in kg. It is the unit weight formula, d square by 162. See, I have written this formula. Trunk C means C10 means C10 twice means d square by 162 comma 33 for 3 decimal place. Once you have fitted, just drag this things to the below portion, it will be automatically adjusted. Okay, if I give the dive the length, say like see 25, no, it will be automatically change unit. Don't have to like do anything, it will be automatically changed, correct? Even here also, like I have already given some formulas for 10 mm that 12 mm 16 20 25. See, if I show you this one, see, C10 $C10 means fix of column 10, this one. If C10 means this dia is equal to R8, R$8 means this one, R8. If it is equal to this one, then this unit weight into this meter will be multiplied and value will be displayed in this section. If this dia is equal to this one, for this one you can check. Now S8, if it is equal to this one, now the value will come here. If it is equal to this one, it will come in 16. If it is equal to 20, it will come here, correct? See, if I give example, see, now I am writing 20 dia. Okay, see, now this 20 is already blank, correct? I am just entered 20, now I am entering enter. See, values came in this one and automatically all those parties adjust, correct? So this is the formula. Next formula is that for total, you don't have to calculate one and calculate this 12 separately, 20 separately. You can just give the summation of this whole bracket from here to here, and whatever the value in between is there, it will be final, automatically it will come here, correct? If you write, see, if it is coming in this bar also, this, see, the value will be automatically changed, correct? So this is the way you can set a single column, correct? Then you can just drag each column you can drag and value will be automatically calculated. No need to further check anything, correct? And if I say this is something called 3 bars, why? I already told you, like, but the one bar length is 12 meters, so you have to add 3 bars, and for 3 bars you have to give additional some lapping also. Lapping means like this, you cannot keep the bar like this, correct? You have to go some lapping. So this lapping for me, it's 52D. So 52D means approx 2400. Take, okay. So 2 times lap will be there, correct? So 2 times 52D will be added to the total length. Okay, so I am just here, the length of the one bar is 12 meter and I have just subtracted this L. Okay, for safety purpose I have just added 60, means it will be wasted, so I just use 60 once again. Okay, you can ignore this part if you do it. Okay, because see, the required length is 11 meters 760. Okay, so no one will cut 60 mm, correct? So I have just used so that I can save money for my company, correct? So whatever I have like subtracted for this L portion, na 2D, once again I have added back. That's same thing, correct? So 12 meter minus this 300 G12, correct, plus 60. The final height will be this one. one full rod is required 12 meter. Now here in this case AA12 means the cage length. This cage length. This is the cage length, correct? This 24,390 total length, correct? AA12 minus F14. F14 means this one minus this one means I have to total required length is this one. So I already given F14 means 12 meter bar is already given. Apart from this F11, this 11 meter 760 is already given. So remaining how much required I will get, correct? So after subtracting this two, and apart from this I have to also add 2 times lap length, 2 into 52 into D. C16 means this one. Why? Because 2 times you have to lap this bar, correct? So 2 times 52D. So this will be the total final length of the third rod, third reinforcement, correct? So this is how you will calculate, correct? And here no bendings is there, so 0 0. So as per that it will be automatically calculation will be adjusted, correct? So this is how you can prepare the BBS. Okay, so I hope you understand the things clearly. If you have any query, any doubt, you can just ping me in the comment section. Definitely I will get back to you. Okay, whatever the doubt you have, I will try to explain you in a better way, correct? And if you want any particular section, I mean you want any particular topic on that video, you can definitely comment as well. Okay, so I hope you like this video and you learn today basics of BBS. How can you prepare the basic simple? Once you have completed this format, no further no need to do anything. You will just drag the things and your calculation will be easily done. Simple. See, even I don't have to calculate total also. See, I am just done the summation. Above summation means 8 mm. This is 10. This is 12, 16. Just summation of from here to top, and I have like I got different bar in total. For one pile how much required? 8 mm 0. This is required like 12 mm to 15 kg. For 16, 1259 kg, 385 kg for 20. So this is how I already got. If I want to calculate in metric ton, I have just divided by 1000 the above value, and I will get the values in metric ton as well. And finally, this is the weight in metric ton for a single pile. But in one pile gap, how much pile is there? Total 10. 4 is outside and 2 is in center. So I have just multiplied with 10. So I got 10 number of piles. What is the maximum like weight of reinforcement required? So total, this is something called 88.875 metric ton is as a reinforcement is required to build this single pile cap. Not single pile cap, sorry, single pile. This is only for pile only. No, we have not calculated the pile cap. Pile cap is, see here, another section is there for pile cap portion. That is only for pile, correct? So this is how you can prepare the bar bending schedule of any structure, any. I have just given you the example of for pile. Okay, definitely you will also get another video. In that video we'll discuss in detail only for that particular pile or pile cap. Okay, so you will get that video also soon. Okay, so if you want these videos in Hindi version, you can refer to the playlist. It's already uploaded. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you got something, please like and subscribe my channel, and also recommend your friends to watch this so that their concept should be like clear and they can easily understand. Because see, I can assure you at site level no one will teach in this way. They will just say what you have done in your like educational career, what you have done in your class. But these things are like nobody is teaching in the class, no, correct? So these things we have to learn by ourselves actually. Maybe if you are lucky, then maybe someone will be there who will little bit they will guide. Else no one will care you. If you don't know, they will just say to the higher authority that this person don't know. Correct. So See you in the next video. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get the instant notification whenever the new is added. Okay. So see you to the next video. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.